This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials: battery at or above 50% and all hose seals snug so you avoid leaks. Attach the wand, filter, and the 1/2 nozzle firmly. This prevents pressure loss. Turn the machine on and set suction to medium so you can gauge performance. Once done, run a quick short pull test on a scrap surface to confirm steady suction. This first action prevents common problems and gets you into the process immediately. You now focus on execution. Hold the wand at a steady 30-degree angle and glide it smoothly. Make overlapping 3-inch passes so you catch residue and avoid streaks. Adjust pressure as needed. Heavier material needs a slower pass. Keep one eye on the filter indicator and the tank level. When it hits 75%, pause to empty. Once emptied, resecure the seal and resume. This preserves suction and keeps the motor from overheating during extended runs. You finish by emptying the tank and rinsing it, then let the filter dry before you reinstall it to avoid mold and airflow restriction. Run a final low suction pass to inspect the surface and confirm no residue remains. If you notice reduced suction or pulsing, stop and check for hose kinks, collapsed sections, or improperly seated filters. Correcting those restores performance fast. If problems persist, reboot the unit and retest. One simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.